Alright guys, this video is going to talk about the difference between add to negatives list and add negatives to campaign. Now, I am inside of campaign optimization, search term optimization, and you're going to see these two buttons located inside of keyword optimizer, search term optimization, and negative word finder. Now, the difference between the two is that if I wanted to get rid of a particular search term on this campaign that I'm optimizing, I would click on add negatives to a campaign. And now I can perform a negative exact on this particular search term for this campaign. If I wanted to now house that word and use it in the future, when I create campaigns in the future, then I could add it to a negative list. And anytime I create a campaign in the future, I will now have a list of keywords and search terms that I optimized out already, that I already determined were not good for this particular product, that I can use in the future. This is called shielding. It allows you to create lists of words that already did not work out for you and use them to your advantage in the future so you don't have to get hit up with them again with more costly ad spend. So let me show you guys how that works. I am going to click on a word that I want to add to a negative list. I'll click on to here. And we're going to go add to negative list. And here are the two SKUs that are located inside of this campaign. I'm going to click on both SKUs just to demonstrate and click on OK. Now you're going to notice here it says added to negative exact list. So since they are search terms inside of search term optimization, this is going to the negative exact bucket, and I'll show you where that is. Inside of listing optimization, you're going to click on listing optimization, and then click on a particular SKU that you just added the word to. And if you go down, you're going to notice that we have a negative exact list and a negative phrase list. So the search terms that we added inside of search term optimization will go into the negative exact list. And the individual words that we add in negative word finder, which I will show you in later videos, goes under the negative phrase list. Now, let's say you went ahead and created a brand new campaign and you put, it was for this particular SKU. Now you can go ahead and use these negatives in your campaign from the very beginning just by clicking Add Negatives to Campaign. This way you don't have to get wasted ad spend for the words that already didn't work out, again, for that brand new campaign.